Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are learning Korean and reading Hangul feels difficult, you are in the right place. I'm a Korean teacher. I have taught Korean reading and language to foreigners for many years. In this channel, I will help you start reading Korean step by step. This channel is not about grammar. It is not about memorizing. It is about reading and speak Korean slowly and clearly. We will practice sounds, syllables, words, simple sentences. I will read first, then you can read with me like this. 가, 나, 다, 감사합니다. I also make Korean reading worksheets. You can study with my YouTube videos and practice using the worksheet. On this channel, you will find beginner Korean reading practice, word reading with final consonants, slow reading videos, worksheets with video lessons. If you want to start reading Korean, please subscribe. Let's run Korean one step at a time. Thank you.